Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Niara Alexis and I mostly focus on hair content with a little bit of lifestyle and beauty as well. So if that's something you're into, you might want to go ahead and subscribe. Today we are doing a braids wash day on my boho braids. I'm just going to be vibing out with you guys. We're going to have some music going. I am going to be popping up all of the products on screen because I did forget to show you them. So just make sure you check the description down below if you're interested in any of these products. Some of them will also show up on screen as like a clickable little rectangle or something down the lower corner, and you should be able to shop from there. But I'm starting off by just wetting my scalp a little bit, and I'm separating my hair into 4 sections. This product from Azani is my favorite product to use to cleanse my scalp, and I don't use any other shampoos typically when I use this. And some people have asked me, do I wash the length of my braids? I am going to wash the length of my braids, and I'll share that wash day with you guys when I do. But mostly when I'm washing my hair weekly with braids, I am focusing really only on the scalp. So I'll stop talking now. Let's get into the wash day. And again, remember, if you are interested in any of these products, they might pop up on screen for you to shop, or you can check down the description as well. I'll have everything linked for you guys. you.